I am entitled to be that party. That is part of the new party. Either a new original party or part of the merged party. That's a defense. That's why I indicated to your lordships. Now there's no majority, minority, 1/3, 2/3. No, it's not relevant. If there's a split. Because what the purpose of the defection law is to ensure that there is unprincipled defection. Then, Malats, 23rd of January, organizational elections of the Shivsena political party for term 2018 to 23 were held, wherein Uddhav Thackeray was elected as president. The results were duly communicated in the prescribed format to the Election Commission on 27th of February 2018. Well, the Election Commission, and that, your lordships, is not relevant here. Election Commission in its order says, I don't have your constitution. Therefore, I will not consider that you are about the organizational wing structure. I will not consider it all. So I go only by what is the legislative majority, and the legislative majority is 38 people from Eknath Shinde group, therefore they get the symbol. Anyway, that's another matter. Then, Malats, October 2019 elections in the 14th Legislative Assembly of Maharashtra were held. The seat distribution in the said election inter se of political parties is following. Your lordship knows this. You have seen it before. Then, Malats, November 2019, a post-poll alliance was formed between the Shivsena, the NCP, as well as the INC called Maha-Vikas Aghadi to form a stable government in the state of Maharashtra, with the president of Shivsena, Uddhav Thackeray, being sworn in as the chief minister. 23/11/2019, prior to the swearing in of Thackeray, the governor hastily sworn in Devendra Fadnavis early in the morning as the chief minister of Maharashtra. This honorable court in Shivsena versus Union of India directed an immediate floor test, and Devendra Fadnavis resigned before facing the floor of the House. This only indicates how governors, Malats, have been conducting themselves. How can a governor have sworn in somebody as the chief minister without knowing that he has majority in early hours of the morning?
This order is on 23rd November?
Yes.
Supreme Court's order?
Yes. Oh, the order, I just... 2019, 10 SCC 809.
Tell me later.
Yes. Then is mentioned, anyway. April, May 2020, governor has been at loggerheads with the MP. 25/11. Oh, 25/11, Sunil Prabhu. Now this is important. 25/11, Sunil Prabhu is appointed as chief whip of the Shivsena Legislative Party with the blessings of Uddhav Thackeray, president of the Shivsena political party, and the same was duly notified to the Speaker of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. That, your lordships may actually, if your lordships don't mind, look at that document. Or do you want to read the dates and then later?
Please read the entire dates.
All right. Then April, May 2020, the Honorable Governor has been at loggerheads with the MVA government and has almost created a political crisis. Governor was sitting on Shri Uddhav Thakray's recommendation for nomination to the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, despite a period of 6 months as an unelected member was about to expire on 27/5/2020. Further, the governor had blocked holding of the speaker's election. No speaker's election took place. Well, he was not a member of, there was a seat for the Legislative Council which had to be, he had to be elected from that seat. He wouldn't hold the election for almost 6 months. This tells you, how constitutional authorities are acting. First you swear in somebody, he resigns the next morning, or then you have this problem. The BJP has been attempting to create divisions within the Shivsena, 20th June 2020, in the recently conducted MLC election, wherein despite having the requisite number of MLAs on its side, the MVA alliance led by Shivsena lost a seat to the BJP. This was because of cross-voting within the MVA and particularly within the Shivsena at the behest of the BJP. I am not going to rely on these facts, because this is disputed. So that these facts I'm not going to rely on. It was widely reported in the media that Eknath Shinde, who was then the cabinet minister of urban development and public works, has along with certain others delinquent MLAs of the Shivsena gone into hiding in the BJP-ruled neighboring state of Gujarat. Then 21-6, these are the undisputed facts that now start. To contain and allay the apprehensions that were arising in the party post the MLC elections, an urgent meeting of the Shivsena Legislative Party was called on the 21st of June. Eknath Shinde, along with certain other delinquent MLAs, did not attend the above-mentioned meeting. Dated 21st of June, the party resolved in the said meeting to remove Eknath Shinde from the position of the leader of the Shivsena Legislative Party and appoint Ajay Chaudhary instead. Now, this is interesting, but this is a matter which your lordships had to constitutionally consider. So a faction, which is a legislative party, decides that I will change the whip. Constitutionally impermissible. Then, the decision, Eknath Shinde, along with certain other delinquent MLAs, did not attend the meeting. Party resolved in the said meeting to remove Eknath Shinde from the position of leader of Shivsena and appoint Shri Ajay Chaudhary instead. The decision to remove Eknath Shinde was communicated by Uddhav Thackeray to the Honorable Deputy Speaker. After due verification, the Deputy Speaker accepted the change of leadership of Shivsena in the House. The reason why this happened was, because, as your Lordship knows, he had to be a member of the Legislative Council because there was no seat in the Assembly. So the then Chief Minister became a member of the Legislative Council. Therefore, in the meantime, somebody had to be appointed, as the leader of the House. Because they were the treasury benches. So Eknath Shinde was the leader of the House. And he was removed from his position of leadership by decision of the party. And the Deputy Speaker was told about it and he accepted it. In the larger interest of the party, it was thought fit to call for another legislative party meeting to give one more opportunity to the MLAs who were absent in the meeting on 21st June to show their loyalty and support to the original political party. Hence, another meeting of the SSLP was called. Individual notices were issued to all the MLAs of the Shivsena, and it was made adequately clear that, quote, failure to participate in the meeting without providing valid and adequate reasons in writing, communicated in advance to the underside, will result in consequential action against you under the relevant provisions of the Constitution. So they were told. On 22nd of June, despite the importance of the meeting called on 22nd June, aimed at consolidating the SSLP's strength to contain any possible horse trading, several dissident MLAs did not attend the meeting. Instead, the delinquent MLAs sitting in BJP-ruled states sent communications rejecting the holding of the meeting as illegal, which itself shows that those MLAs had been working contrary to the diktats of the original political party. 22nd of June, Sunil Prabhu, in the capacity of Chief Whip, responded to the communication dated 22nd of June of the delinquent MLAs rejecting the reasons given for their absence from the SSLP meeting as an afterthought, frivolous, backdated, and proof of them acting contrary to the interests of the original political party. That's the notice that your lordships read, 21st of June, dated 21st of June, received on 22nd of June at 11:30 a.m., but dated 21st June. Eknath Shinde wrote to the Deputy Speaker communicating his appointment as leader. So now, the legislative party or a majority of the legislative party can decide who they're going to be the leader of the party in the House, of the party, sitting in Assam. On 22nd of June, simultaneously, a purported notice for removal of Deputy Speaker Narhari Zirwal under Rule 11 of the Maharashtra Assembly Rules, read with 179, was received at the Legislature Secretariat, expressing no confidence in the Deputy Speaker. Notice was hand-delivered by an unknown courier and not by any MLA. It is also relevant to note that none of the purported signatories of the notice had personally delivered any such notice, nor it was sent through the registered email address of any of them. The Shiv Sena Legislative Party in its meeting took note of Shri Eknath Shinde and rebel MLAs and the fact that they had indulged in anti-party activities and were trying to destabilize the MBA government. In view of this, it was resolved that the Shiv Sena Legislative Party meeting at the then CM's residence, that necessary legal action shall be taken under the 10th schedule against the errant MLAs. Now, who is CM? CM Maharaj is a member of the Legislative Council. He is also the Param Pramukh, Paksh Pramukh. So he is the political leader. He is the one who decides. June 23rd, Sir Sunil Prabhu filed disqualification petitions under Para 21A, seeking disqualification of Eknath Shinde and 15 other delinquent MLAs of Shiv Sena. 24th of June, it was widely published in the news reports that the rebel MLAs led by Eknath Shinde were acting in collusion with BJP, and their entire logistical arrangement in Guwahati was made by the BJP leaders. 24th of June, Secretary of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly received an email from an advocate